Okay. Quick lang, quick feedback na lang. Sige. Give you 5 minutes. Any feedback on the sessions?
Very extensive, sir. Really appreciate yung binigay niyo po na framework and format kasi we're able to follow what needs to be discussed. So, and very ano po, very organized po tong SGD na to in such a way na we started with what to expect and then we ended with feedbacks and may Q&A sessions po plus discussion.
Okay. Yung framework you can use for any types of patient, ha? Okay, not only in surgery, ha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you po.
Thea?
There, like to thank you po, sir, for this very insightful SGD, as well as my group mates for the report done and the preparation that went through with this. I think it's also good that we had a chance to do journal appraisal, because it's not always that we get to look for literature to para mas may added value, added knowledge to the case discussions as well.
Okay, thank you. Dom?
Thank you, sir, for this opportunity. So, what I appreciate most is how we approach nga the full SGD, and very applicable nga talaga to any type of patient, or even, I don't know. I think it's more of the approach to how not just the patients but also systemically organizing how we go through in our internship actually is also applicable as well. So thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Diana?
Uh, Thank you so much, sir. It's a very high yield experience po to um use your framework po in managing a case. So I hope po we can apply it sooner or later sa other patients namin. Not just in surgery, of course. And also, sir, we really appreciate po the time that you did po yung all that framework and then the lecture and then the videos po for us to see and for us to know what to expect before the SGD, and also the exam, sir, even though yeah, it was really lengthy, sir, pero we learned a lot, and as you said also in the note there that it's really for mastery. So thank you po for that, sir.
Thank you. Parang kumon yan na mahaba, ano? Paulit-ulit, no? Okay. Okay. So, okay. Thank you for the comments. Erica?
Hi po, sir. Yes, agree with everyone. I really appreciate the framework, since I think when we become future general practitioners or residents or doctors, we can really keep it in mind when we decide what tests we should do or what treatment we should follow. And important then to remind ourselves that every physician might have a different perspective than you, and it's not invalid, right? Everyone has their own decision-making process based on the context and situation per patient po. So thank you po for that, sir.
Thank you. Thank you also. Janina?
Thank
Janina,
you
sige.
po. Again naman po with everyone. Thank you po for the high yield session po, sir. Thank you for the diagram that you discussed po to help us diagnose the patients with breast cancer. Thank you po, sir.
Okay. Angelica?
Yes, sir. Once again, we would like to thank you for this very high discussion. And I think it was very helpful din po on our end that we were able to prepare with the SGD, not just on with the context po of the case, but also with the framework that you have provided us. I believe po in a very that it could be incorporated po actually in other rotations, especially for example, family medicine po, since they're very passionate about including costs and availability for our patients. And also, we were able to even review a journal article through this SVB, which I think is helpful, po, especially when managing patients. We should always be productive in looking for evidences regarding the management that we want to consider for our patient, po. So thank you for the activities, po, sir.
Thank you also. Any more? Wala na? Salita na lahat? Okay. So we'll call it a day. Thank you for your cooperation, for your receptiveness to whatever I'm trying to teach you. No, I hope everything's all right, acceptable to you. Okay. Sige. So we'll see each other in the wires if we have a chance. Okay. Okay. Every now and then I go there to operate, but not all the time. See. Okay. So bye bye.